Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this natural, easy looking brows that you can slay with any kind of makeup look whatsoever. So let's get right into the video. So starting off with freshly trimmed, groomed brows. I just want to say for the record, I did brush through my brows with some eyelash glue. Yes, eyelash glue, clear eyelash glue on a spoolie, and you could also use brow gel for this step. And what this does is this just sucks your brows into place. They don't move throughout the day, they just stay there and they are stamped on in the direction that you comb them. So that really helps in the whole brow application. Next, I'm going into this pencil brush and dipping into my brow gel. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and I'm just going to be drawing through my brows. As you can see, I go back into the brow gel a lot because I take a little bit at a time. You don't want to take so much all at once and just like blop it onto the brows. You want to go gently and in little sections at a time. So I'm just going to be filling in my brows with that. Next, I'm going to be going into the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's a very good choice for brow cleanup. It's very creamy and also very full coverage. And when you clean the bottom of your brows, you want to go in with like a concealer that is a little bit lighter than you, about a shade to 2 shades, just to highlight your brows a little bit. And also for cleanup, I go in sections at a time. I don't just go through the whole length of the brow at once. I go in sections and I take my time to clean up the brows, because you want to be as precise as possible and make as little mistakes as possible, because when you start to make mistakes, then it just spirals into more mistakes. So yeah. And next, I'm going to be doing the second brow, and I like to look straight into the mirror, just to look straight ahead and make sure that I'm making both brows as symmetrical as they possibly can. Even if we know that, you know, brows are sisters, not twins, but I try to make it as symmetrical as I can. And once I'm happy with that, I start to drag down the concealer. Now, this is also actually something lots of people do not know. When you clean up, drag your concealer down. Don't just rub it all over the place, because you lose the coverage and you lose the crispiness of the brow. So just try to drag your concealer downwards and very gently as well. Don't just clean it all over the place. And for the top of the brow, I like to use a concealer that is the shade of my skin. This prevents that halo type of looking brows, where if I went with a concealer that was as 2 shades lighter than mine, my top of my brow and the bottom of my brow will just be highlighted and it look like it's just stuck on my face, not a natural type of look at all. So once you blend that out, you see how it just starts to blend to the skin and it doesn't look so fake. It starts to look a little bit more natural. So I'm just going back into my pencil brush to just fill up some more places, create hair-like strokes in the beginning of the brow, and just do some more cleanup overall. The eyebrow look, eye situation, I'm just going back into the concealer and I'm just going to rub that on my eyelid space and also just blend that out with a beauty blender. This just makes the whole eye area seamless, evenly colored, evenly toned, evenly blended. And this is what I would do when I am going to go next into eyeshadow application, and this further helps me clean up the area, make it neat for the rest of the makeup application. And at this point, this is what you should have, but I'm also going to set that with some powder. And this is it for the eyebrow, guys. It is pretty easy, not a lot of steps, just a lot of practice and a few tips and tricks, and you could be able to achieve this. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, much love.